Most people think heart health is something that only matters during the day. But what many adults over 60 don't realize is that your heart continues working every second while you sleep. In fact, nighttime is when your body enters repair mode. Your blood vessels relax. Your blood pressure naturally changes. And your heart works to deliver oxygen and nutrients throughout the body while you rest. That's why what you eat for dinner may be more important than you think. Some evening foods may help support healthy circulation, stable blood sugar, and normal heart function throughout the night. While others may place extra stress on the cardiovascular system before bedtime. Today, we're revealing the top 5 best dinner foods that support heart function while you sleep. And make sure you stay until the end because the number 1 food contains nutrients that researchers have linked to improved blood vessel function and better heart health, especially for adults over 60. Before we begin, the information in this video is for educational purposes only and should not replace medical advice. Always consult your healthcare provider before making changes to your diet or health routine. Now let's get started. Number 5, sweet potatoes. Sweet potatoes are one of the most underrated dinner foods for heart health. Most people think of them as a simple side dish. But they're packed with nutrients that may support cardiovascular wellness. Sweet potatoes contain potassium, a mineral that helps support healthy fluid balance and normal blood pressure. They also provide fiber, which may help support healthy cholesterol levels and steady digestion overnight. Unlike heavily processed carbohydrates, sweet potatoes release energy more gradually. This may help avoid large blood sugar spikes before bedtime. Many adults over 60 enjoy baked sweet potatoes alongside a balanced evening meal because they're satisfying without feeling overly heavy. One medium-baked sweet potato can be a simple addition to a heart-friendly dinner. Now let's move to number 4. Number 4, spinach. Spinach may not seem exciting. But when it comes to heart health, it deserves serious attention. Spinach contains natural nitrates that the body can convert into nitric oxide. Nitric oxide helps blood vessels relax and widen. And healthy blood vessels play a major role in supporting circulation and oxygen delivery throughout the body. Spinach also provides magnesium. Many adults don't get enough magnesium, yet it's important for normal muscle and nerve function, including the muscles involved in heart activity. Another advantage? Spinach is light and easy to digest. That makes it a smart dinner choice for people who don't want a heavy meal before bed. You can add spinach to salads, soups, or lightly sauté it as a side dish. Small changes like this may support long-term cardiovascular wellness. And now let's move to number 3. Number 3, salmon. Salmon is often considered one of the most heart-friendly foods available. And there's a good reason for that. Salmon contains omega-3 fatty acids. These healthy fats have been widely studied for their potential role in supporting heart health. Omega-3s may help support healthy triglyceride levels and normal blood vessel function. They may also help support the body's natural inflammatory balance. As we age, maintaining healthy blood vessels becomes increasingly important. That's why many heart specialists recommend including fatty fish in a balanced diet. A grilled salmon dinner paired with vegetables can provide a satisfying meal without feeling overly heavy before sleep. And for many adults over 60, it's one of the easiest ways to add heart-supportive nutrients to the evening routine. Now let's move to number 2. Number 2, oatmeal. Most people think oatmeal is only a breakfast food. But many nutrition experts believe it can also make an excellent evening meal. Oats contain a special type of soluble fiber called beta-glucan. Beta-glucan may help support healthy cholesterol levels when consumed regularly as part of a balanced diet. Cat meal is also warm, comforting, and easy to digest. And because it provides slow-releasing carbohydrates, many people find it helps them feel satisfied without becoming overly full before bedtime. You can prepare oatmeal with cinnamon, berries, or a small handful of nuts for additional flavor and nutrients. For adults looking for a lighter dinner option, oatmeal may be a surprisingly smart choice. And now we've reached number 1. Number 1, walnuts. If there's one food that consistently appears in discussions about heart health, it's walnuts. These small nuts contain healthy fats, antioxidants, fiber, and plant compounds that may support cardiovascular wellness. Walnuts are particularly rich in alpha-linolenic acid, a plant-based omega-3 fatty acid. Researchers have studied walnuts for their potential role in supporting healthy blood vessel function and overall heart health. But that's not all. Walnuts also contain magnesium and other minerals involved in normal cardiovascular function. Many people enjoy a small handful of walnuts after dinner or sprinkled over oatmeal, salads, or yogurt. Because they're nutrient-dense, a little goes a long way. And for adults over 60, they may be one of the easiest heart-friendly foods to include regularly. Final thoughts. So let's quickly recap today's top 5 dinner foods that may support heart function while you sleep. Number 5, sweet potatoes. Number 4, spinach. Number 3, salmon. Number 2, oatmeal. And number 1, walnuts. Remember, no single food can magically prevent heart disease or replace proper medical care. But healthy food choices made consistently over time may help support better cardiovascular wellness. Choosing more whole foods. Eating balanced dinners. Staying active. Getting quality sleep. And managing stress. These simple habits may help support your heart for years to come. Now we'd love to hear from you. Which of these foods do you already eat for dinner? And which one would you add to your evening routine first? Leave your answer in the comments below. If you enjoyed this video, make sure to like, subscribe, and turn on notifications for more simple heart health videos designed especially for adults over 60.